Right. Oh. Oh, to turn left. I might do Liberty Road. I might do. I kind of just want to do. Well, they both take me to Galt. Liberty Road takes me a little bit further south than Highway 104, Ione. Going to Ione, Herald, and the other communities. There we go. Well, somewhat. Well, it's hot water, not really. Okay. Oops. Okay. Oh, so cold. Freaking cold. In Jackson, this is technically Jackson. What's my... Oh, and those guys are so damn cute. Oh, man. They're so cute. So damn cute. I know. So cute. Oh, boy. I need to stop. That, too. Oh.
Fight on! And Mike Tyson proceeds to beat your brains in. I did you wrong. I didn't do the noble thing for you. I didn't do the good thing for you. And still the leaders of this nation act as if this propping this country up and slaughtering its young men is the most important thing in the world.
So we can't support Ukraine. Their chief advisor yesterday said they're likely to lose this war if they lose the U.S. support. And Putin gets all of the Ukrainians, then what? Then where does he go? Because right then, he's up against...
Okay, pause for a second. Putin doesn't even want all of Ukraine. Or if he does, he's announced no intention to attempt to get all of Ukraine. Again, more foreign policy fear-mongering. And he continues that fear-mongering.
The eastern flank of NATO. And if you think the cost of supporting Ukraine is high now, just imagine how high it's going to be. Not just in national credit, but in American blood. If you start going after one of our NATO allies, you're going to pay losses. You take all of the supply commitments very seriously.
Okay, let's threaten the American people.
This the points. I mean, this, yeah, down here. Let me stop there, kind of. I didn't even know that. I'm passing by here. Oh, so damn cold. So damn cold. Oh, so cold. Go ahead.
The reason I use red, white, green is I know it's going to provide
yeah, it's right here. Past
Your dog doesn't get nutrition from its dog. Its dog needs bad food. Your dog needs vitamins and minerals and omega oils and digestive enzymes and all the things you need. Your dog needs them too. So give them to your puppy. Rust green. Pour it on your dog's food. A dog that lives longer and healthier. 833-33 my dog. Or go to rustgreens.com/Jeff. You're listening to the Jesse Kelly Show. You're welcome. Think for yourself. Top 650 chance to win. You are prey. There are bad, evil people out there. You are vulnerable. I'm not saying stop listening to music. But man, carry something on you. The guys, they see you jogging every day. They know where you jog.
That's the Vista point. Yeah, that's the Vista point.
They'll stalk you for a month, figuring out where you are, waiting for just the right time. You're not paying attention. You don't know that guy exists. He knows you exist. I'm not telling you to go hide under your bed. Carry something on you, please. Like hero arrows, let's right, even those little hot little shorts you have. They have a wee little pocket on it. Or someplace in your sports bra you're wearing. It has a little pocket on it.
The other one's right there.
Sports bras with a pocket that's big enough to hold a hero arrow. Carry it on you, please. I hate reading these stories, man. State restrictions may apply. If you've ever even considered getting an RV, you need to take a look at this end-of-the-year liquidation event going on right now at Best RV Center. They are clearing out the 2023 models. Everything must go. All inventory 50% below MSRP, which means thousands of dollars below cost. Let's say that again. In case you thought you heard it wrong or something like that. All inventory is 50% below MSRP, which means thousands of dollars below cost. I mean, that's incredible. If you've ever thought about an RV, go to bestrv.com today. And honestly, the big deal at Best RV is they're really nice people. They're honest, they're straightforward, they're ethical. You can enjoy the shopping experience and the selection mind-blowing. Open every single day from 9 to 6, the biggest RV dealership in the entire state. Head on out to Best RV Center in Sherlock any day in November for huge savings and deep discounts on all 2023 models, fifth wheels, motorhomes, travel trailers, toy haulers, pet campers. They have it all. BestRV.com to get started. BestRV.com.
Lexus of Sacramento announces the best time to acquire your new Lexus. It's the December to Remember sales event, and it's going on now. Come in and see for yourself at 2600 Fulton Avenue and get ready to experience amazing. LexusofSacramento.com.
Sick of paying $100 for groceries and getting nothing but eggs, orange juice, and a paper bag? Then download the Drop app. Drop lets you earn points with your everyday shopping and redeem them for gift cards. Want a free dinner with those groceries? Drop it. How about daily lattes? Drop it. So download Drop today and get $5 just for signing up. Use invite code GETDROP777. That's invite code GETDROP777.
iHeartRadio is your #1 app for the holidays. Just open the app and search iHeart Holiday and start listening now. You'll see your local holiday radio station, plus all kinds of other holiday stations, playlists, and podcasts. iHeartRadio, free, never sounded so good. With the holidays upon us, the increase in traveling, shopping, and connecting online also heightens the need to protect your identity and finances with LifeLock. Identity thieves see this time of year as an opportunity to drain your account, open new loans in your name, and damage your financial future. LifeLock detects and alerts you to the threats you might miss on your own. Don't let the busy holiday season catch you off guard. Save up to 25% off your first year with promo code PLAY. LifeLock.com, promo code PLAY. Brace yourself for the ultimate holiday deal with Consumer Cellular. Snag an incredible 50% off the Irish Flip when you buy before December 17th, making it only $34.50. The Irish Flip is all the phone and camera you need with a user-friendly design. The perfect flip phone companion. Plus, you'll get nationwide coverage and always free activation. Score 50% off when you use promo code RADIO50. Head over to ConsumerCellular.com and use promo code RADIO50 during checkout to score this deal.
Get in the know with the news that's now.
Coming up at the top of the hour.
I gotta know what's going on in my city.
On Continent TV, KSDE.
Okay, let me.
It's fascinating to find it, to read it from that lens, through that lens. You know, I kind of nerd out on the evil Assyrians every now and then. I do. Well, the Assyrians, they just found metals that other people didn't know about first and figured out how to mass produce it. And it sounds so simple, right? But hey, my spear, it can penetrate your armor and shield, so now you might as well be naked when we fight, whereas my armor stands up to yours, you're gonna die, period. I've been doing a lot of reading recently about flight and paratroopers and how they're trying to figure that out. We've been talking about gliders and things like that on the show. And they knew, I mean, the founding fathers, Benjamin Franklin talked about the possibility of airdropping troops somewhere. Not necessarily there was planes, but they were talking about balloons. But they understood, mankind has always understood, hey man, the ability to drop people from the air can be used combat-wise. But it took man forever to figure that out, how to really, really master it. It's one of my favorite stories. One of the first aerial deaths for aerial combat in World War I was a freaking Russian, and he had a plane, and he saw someone else in the plane, and he just ran into her. They both died. And that's quite a commitment, but think about that. Think about, hey, I'm in a plane and he's in a plane and I want to bring him down, so I guess we're going to ram into him. And then eventually you fast forward to World War II time. Now we have these gigantic planes that drop gobs of men and equipment behind enemy lines in the way it's advanced. You asked about drones, and this is one of the things that's really frightening. And friends of mine who know military types, especially special forces types, PJs, Air Force PJs, SEALs, and Green Berets, and those types that I talk to. I try to lean on their expertise because I don't know. It's a 4-year dumb grunt, very average grunt. So I talked to them about it. Drone warfare is the wave of the future. Drones encounter drones. And a lot of people will say things like, hey, we just need a shotgun. You know, you just need a scatter gun, take one out. And that can work on some of them, sure. But some of these drones are like lightning. They're not all just that slow drone you bought your kid and he flies around the backyard until one of the things splits off and it falls down and smashes and he fries. They move really fast. And now there are micro drones. This is the technology they're working with. Think about this. You're in combat. Maybe you're in a fighting hole with a friend. You've got your defensive lines going. And a cloud of micro drones just swarms you and your buddy. They just blow you both up. You have no defense of that whatsoever. There is no defense. You can do some kind of shielding, but that's very limited, kind of like an electromagnetic shielding. And remember, if you do that kind of stuff, you start doing counter-electric stuff, it messes up your electric stuff too. It goes both ways. Hey, let's just put up something that fries out, that's an EMP of some kind that fries out all electrical equipment. Okay, now yours is done too, pal. You see, that was a long way of saying, I don't know. I don't know what this is going to look like in the future. But let's go back to what we were just talking about. Aerial combat, dropping troops. Where did that end up? This new technology. Wow, planes. Wow, military planes. Hey, let's attach a gun to it. Let's look, in World War I, they were hanging guns out the side and shooting them at guys on the ground. Was that rudimentary? Was it rudimentary or rudimentary, Chris? Which one is it? Is it rudimentary? I knew that's what it was. Chris didn't know. I was testing it. It's rudimentary. It was very basic. It's what I'm trying to say. But think where that ended up. Well, ask the people of Hiroshima how it ended. It ended up, we now have the technology to drop bombs that can level cities out of planes. Do you know what? An aerial bombing, how horrific and terrifying it is? It's so bad that if you bomb an area, like if you carpet bomb an area, the guys on the ground will oftentimes die, even if they didn't get hit by your bombs. Why? The bombs are so intense and the explosion and the flames, it sucks all the oxygen out of the air. For 20, 30 minutes, you will suffocate standing above ground. You know that? That's where that new military technology ended up. And that's where we are now. What does that mean for drones? I don't know. Nothing good, obviously. It's nothing good. Which country masters them and figures out the employment of them and figures out how to counter them, that will be a country militarily that's going to be very, very difficult to handle in the future. The good news is all of ours will be made in China. That's easy. I'm sure that'll work out well. Anyway, speaking of technology, look, smartphones are wonderful. They provide so many things, right? I can cheeseburgers, all the important things on my smartphone. But they also provide advertisers, businesses, governments. They provide them the ability to watch, listen, and track your every move. As we speak, the government can, at the drop of a hat, listen to you, know where you are, know what speed you're traveling. Do you realize that? That's why you need a silent bag for your laptop or your smartphone. SLNT. They are signal blocking Faraday bags. They're patented. They're they're incredible, and this is a basic level of protection everybody needs right now. And it's Christmas time. slnt.com/Jesse saves you 15%. Silent.com/Jesse. Remember, SLNT. We all have to operate as if they want to listen. As if they want to find bad things on us, because of course they do. Go get a sign of that. SLNT.com/Jesse. All right. Democrat vote. Do they want to be miserable? Hang on.
CBS News brief. The Texas Supreme Court has just ordered a pause in that lower court order that allowed a pregnant woman to have an abortion despite the state's very tight abortion ban. Nicole Baker of CBS News, Texas.
Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton sent a letter warning doctors against that order, asking the Supreme Court to block it immediately.
Which that court just did. In Las Vegas, police released the UNLV 911 calls made as shots were being fired, with 3 faculty members eventually killed.
No, I don't hear any more shots. The last shot I heard was maybe like a minute or two ago. Okay.
We have learned that the gunman had more than 150 rounds of ammunition and a list of targets when he opened fire. Ryan O'Neal was a big TV star of the 1960s and a big movie star of the 1970s. Films like What's Up, Doc?
Oh, look what happened. Oh, dear.
Please don't help me.
Ryan O'Neal has died. He was 82. CBS News brief. I'm Tom Pody.
Discover your dream home at Subcontractors United, your source for all home improvement. It's ready to make your projects a breeze. No more endless internet searches. Find your contractors in one place. Enjoy stress-free service absolutely free, with no hidden costs and no accounts to set up. Transform your living space into something extraordinary. Visit Subcontractors United today and experience the joy of hassle-free home improvement. Dream big at subcontractorsunited.com.
Guys, did you know your testosterone level impacts your energy, libido, sleep, weight, hair loss, mood, and even ED? And right now, Revive Men's Health Sacramento will check your testosterone for free. They've helped thousands of men since 2011 feel and perform better. They're so confident they can help you, they even guarantee it. Schedule your free testosterone test, exam, and consultation today. Call 916-277-8599. That's 916-277-8599. Or visit ReviveMen'sHealth.com.
Looking for top-notch personal protection? The Smith & Wesson Equalizer is here to level the playing field. Easy to rack slide, easy to control ergonomic grip. It's designed for you. With a 10, 13, and 15-round magazine included, size up for better control or size down for easier concealment. Don't miss out on the opportunity to upgrade your safety. Visit your local dealer now. To learn more about the Equalizer, visit Smith-Wesson.com. Smith & Wesson, empowering Americans. All capacity sizes may not be available in your jurisdiction. Be sure to check your local laws and regulations.
Why would you ever put up with an untrustworthy car salesman when you're ready to buy a car? This is Jerry Reynolds with CarPro. Only the proven CarPro USA VIP process guarantees that you'll never buy a car from a jerk again. When you're ready to buy a car, go to CarProUSA.com. For trusted, certified car pros, fair prices, and no jerks. And the best part, it's free. CarProUSA.com. Who do you trust in the car business? I'm the Car Pro, Jerry Reynolds. And CarPro USA connects you directly to a certified car pro at your choice of dealer. He or she immediately is available and jazzed to provide you with an exceptional VIP priority experience. Never buy a car from an untrustworthy salesperson again. Only work with my personally selected best pros by going to CarProUSA.com. That's CarProUSA.com. CarProUSA.com.
How's your money feeling? It's about to feel happier with a certificate from Happy Money's partner, Alliant Credit Union. Elevate and increase your savings with 12-month terms and only $1,000 minimum. And the happiest part? Alliant certificates yield 5.25% APY annual percentage yield. Now that's a happier side of money. Elevate your savings. Go to happymoney.com/alliance. That's ALLIANT. Funds insured up to $250,000 by NCUA. The APY is accurate as of the 11/1/2023 dividend declaration date. Early withdrawal penalties do apply. Fee may reduce earnings on the account. Any monthly withdrawals or transfers reduce earnings.